said he wanted to make this, we did a quick rough calculation, okay? So we thought it will come to about 15 to 20,000 rupees. He also wanted to buy a brand new bicycle, regular bicycle. You all know Decathlon, right? So from Decathlon, all that. I said we can't afford to do both. Okay, so either we can buy a bicycle or we can make this. We really can't afford to do both. So he said, he immediately said, no, I don't want to buy a bicycle. I want to make this. I said, okay, we can make this, but we can't really afford to buy a 20,000 rupee toy where we buy a kit and you just assemble it, because you know what you learn in making with a kit?
Nothing.
Initially it's okay, but after a while, if you're just using kits to make things, you only learn one thing. You know what that is? How to tighten screws. Right? Because that's what kits normally have. You tighten some nut bolt or screw or something, you tighten, that's all. And do you really need to learn that over and over again?
No.
So you actually don't really learn much at all. So I said, look, we can't spend 20,000 rupees on something like that. We just can't afford it. But if you're willing to design this from scratch and we make everything by hand, well, there are a few pieces it'd be too difficult to make by hand. Like for example, the computer at that time, guess what? Recently, we also made the computer by hand. Each part of the computer separately assembled and the whole Arduino made by hand. Right? But a year ago, he didn't know as much, so he couldn't. But now he does, so he can actually make the whole computer by hand. So we said we're going to make everything by hand. We can afford 20k. Otherwise, we cannot afford to spend 20,000 on a toy. Because assembling and just playing with it, it would be like a toy, right? So that was the other thing I said to him. He said, that's fine. We will design everything and we will build everything by hand. Then I said, okay, wait, hold on. Still, there is another issue. And this was about a year and a half ago, when he didn't really know even decimal arithmetic that well. How to multiply, divide, do all calculations with fractions, decimals, all that. So how are you going to design anything if you don't know even that much of mathematics? And then there was physics about torque, acceleration, speed. There was electrical stuff about battery, programming the computer, all kinds of things. So I laid it all out. I said, look, these are all the things you don't know, and which everything you will have to learn to be able to design and actually build this. Do you still want to do it, or do you want to buy a bicycle from Decathlon? Still your choice. So I think he thought for a couple of minutes and he said he wants to make it. So we didn't buy the bicycle and it's taken us a year to actually make it.